Oh my goodness, it is very windy out there right now. And hopefully the power won't go out because they said this will bring down trees and power lines, which means power goes out. Hopefully that will not happen, but have a plan in place just in case it does. Always have a plan in place just in case the lights go out. Especially if it's going to be really cold or really hot. And especially if you require power to survive. So always have a plan in place just in case you lose power no matter what time of year it is. No matter what time of year it is, always have a plan in place just in case the lights go out. Please. Goodbye.